Hello, my name is Sue Clark-Wittenberg from Ottawa, Ontario, Canada. I'm here to tell you that psychiatry is the biggest medical fraud happening today. Why? I know. I was in and out of psychiatric hospitals in Ontario for 18 years from 1972 to 1990. I was at the Royal Ottawa Hospital in Ottawa, the Ottawa General, the Montfort, and the Queensway Carleton hospitals in Ottawa, and I was at the Brockville Psychiatric Hospital for 6 months in 1973. During that time, I got 15 different mental disorders. I was labeled with 15 different types of mental disorders. There is no test to prove for mental disorder, mental illness. There's no proof or test to prove there is mental disorder. There's none. Here are some of the mental disorders that I was labeled with. Agitated depression, adult situational disorder, bipolar affective disorder, histrionic personality, hypomaniac, manic depressive psychosis, marital maladjustment, paranoid schizophrenic, personality disorder, psychoaffective psychosis, schizoaffective psychosis, schizoaffective disorder, schizophrenia, severe psychotic illness, situational reaction. 15 different mental disorders I was labeled with in 18 years. When the medications that I was on in those 18 years, here are the pills that I was on. 14 different types of psychiatric medications they put me on, the psychiatrist. Amitriptyline, cogentin, tartan, Thorazine, Valium, Permetil, Flumazine injections, Dalmane, lithium carbonate, Nozanan, Trelafon, chloral hydrate, Milleril, and Stelazine. When the psychiatric medications wouldn't work, they would give me a new mental disorder. They would label me with a new psychiatric disorder. On the medications, I gained lots of weight, I became lethargic, I slept a lot, and I got confused. In 1990, I fired my shrink, and I quit my psychiatric drugs. I'm free of psychiatry since 1990. I have not been on a psychiatric ward, nor have I taken any psychiatric medications. I feel a lot better. It is not okay to quit psychiatric medication cold turkey, and I did that. I had the DTs for a month. It is not okay. Also, at Brockville Psychiatric Hospital in 1973, I was given electroshock against my will, and my heart stopped on my 5th electroshock. I suffer from permanent memory loss, and I have difficulty in learning things that are new. Electroshock always causes brain damage, according to studies, and most recently recent studies, and older studies too. Psychiatry is the biggest medical fraud going today. There is no proof nor test to prove that mental illness exists. None at all. I was tortured by psychiatry. Beware of psychiatry. It can do a lot of damage to you. Thank you. Goodbye. Sue Clark-Wittenberg in Ottawa.